Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 6 of COTT Electronics. If you've used any delivery or streaming service within the past 5 years, you'll be able to easily identify the purpose of these packages. When a customer checks into a specific room, it may or may not come with a subscription. A specific price that determines specific perks and goods for a particular room number. In the package section, you may create new deals for a specific price. Each deal will contain a certain amount of channels, VODs, and other possible services. Let's, for argument's sake, create a new package called Complete Package, which includes everything. Now that we've selected the price and perks, we can move on to the subscription. When creating a new subscription, a room number gets assigned a price, a date or period, and a package of our choosing. Since we made the complete package earlier, let's select room 101 and we'll assign our package to it. Boom. Simple as that. Now we have a new subscription with an all-inclusive package. The dates or the duration in which these subscriptions are active are colored based on their status. Red indicates expiration, green indicates activity, while the yellow dates show that the specific subscription is still pending. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.